Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got MJ Lacquer Baby Love and Fab Your Nails Fun 25. I started off with Dainty Digits Glitter Be Gone, and here is MJ Lacquer Baby Love. Such a soft pretty pink with a bunch of gold shimmering glitter. It's dainty to the 10th degree. I mean gorgeousness here. I love it. You could wear it just like that with one easy coat. Real unassuming, very, very nice. Y'all know I'm going to go for the whole game today. So I am going in with that second coat there of Baby Love. Very nice. And I've decided I am going to go ahead and do a third coat. It's just going on so easy. I'm not having to struggle with it. It's not running down into my sidewalls. So now I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down. Then we're going to get on to, jazzing up my mani. There we go, capping that free edge real quick. Here's my swatch photo of the polish on its own. I'll be using Fab Your Nails Fun 25 today. And I've got out a bunch of stampers. I ended up making a bunch of decals, but I decided to only use 3 of them. Got my beauty scraper out. I will be using Beauty Big Bang's black, which is 002, and the gold, which is 011. So I decided I really like this little flower image, and I'm going to stamp it out in black, and then I'm going to fill it in with the gold. There was so much gold shimmer in that base color that I thought it might work. So I am cleaning my plate off with pure acetone and wiping it with a paper towel. I also cleaned my stampers off with my lint roller, which I might show that here a little bit. Yes, I do. So I'm just using the brush from the polish. I'm not being too crazy with it today. I'm not being as crazy woman as I normally am. I'm not expecting it to be just straight up perfect. So, but it didn't turn out bad. I will let you know that. It's, sometimes you're in a hurry like I was here. I knew that this manicure was going to take a little bit longer with drying time and everything. So I just decided to just go in with that brush and just kind of get that polish in the spots I wanted it. See, it don't look too bad. So I'm going to let that completely dry, probably about 20 or 30 minutes. And now I'm going to use the Vibrant Vinyl's Sticky Base. And I'm putting a thin layer of that on the nails that I am going to apply decals to. Here we go. Oh, and that one didn't stick all the way, so we're going to go in and do some doctoring. Ooh, we got lucky. There we go. I like being lucky. So there we go. I am cleaning that off on a lint roller. Once you've done with the decal and you don't need any more of it, you can just rub the rest of it off onto your lint roller. So I am using my cuticle tool to kind of break this decal off on the edges and across the end. Of course, here we go. Patience ain't my thing. So I'm just going in with my fingers. Gonna pick off some of that excess. And then I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and my acetone. I like to go all the way around where the decal meets the nail. It just kind of helps melt it and seal it to the nail a little bit better. And I like it like that because I don't want it peeling up or, getting caught on anything. Doing my little tap tap. And here we go again on the next nail. I also put this decal on my thumbnail. So, I've got it on 3 nails and I left 2 with just that pretty Baby Love. And just like before, I'm going in and kind of cutting the decal. This tool is not all that sharp. I don't want y'all thinking, oh Lord, what is she doing? She's freaking me out. It really is not sharp, and as you can see, I'm not hurting myself. Trust me, if that thing was like a scalpel, y'all would be done seen a bunch of blood. It would have been like a horror film or something. But it's really not sharp. And I'm going to go across the end here. I just decided to kind of tuck it over. I'm going to hit it up with the acetone. Here we go with our cleanup brush and some acetone. You can use nail polish remover. You don't have to do like I do. I just feel like the acetone does it so much faster, and I don't have to do it as much. And look at that big blob of a mess, and I'm just making it worse. Let's get that soaked. Get it off there. It's making me crazy. Now I am going to have sparkly little gold everywhere. It's going to be in my swatch photo, I can guarantee you. But after a couple of hand washings, it'll be all gone. But I do like to tap across the end with my brush, the edge of my brush, to make sure that that is nice and smooth on the tip. Now that that's all done, I'm going to top it with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. And once that is totally dry, I'll be going in with the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls as my final top coat. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous, thick, fast drying top coat. I love it. So there we go. I'm going to cap my free edge off a frame, of course. And hi, Woody. How you doing? Nice to see ya. And here is my manicure in motion. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I always love hearing from you. I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself.